Greetings everyone, a really quick video on how to change the battery of your SRAM AXS power meter. Alright, let's do it. To replace the battery of your SRAM power meter, all you need is one CR2032 lithium type battery. No tools of any kinds is required. Remove the plastic cover by pulling it out. You may have to nudge it a little bit. Then unscrew the round metal cover by turning it counterclockwise. This will give you direct access to the battery. Place the new battery face down inside the metal cap and screw it back on. Make sure it's tightened all the way. Put the cap back on. Make sure it's pushed all the way. And you are done.